So I've been spending a long time basking in the glory that is my Phantom wallet because, as you can see, I am devastatingly close to $1 million in that Phantom wallet. And the way I've gotten to this position is not by trading, not by looking at the candles, not by checking the trends, not by following the memes, but instead deving my own coins. Stay and watch this video and I will show you the simple process so that you can do it too.
Are you serious?
This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Your capital is still at risk. I'm just here to explain how the process works. Okay, you have stuck around, which means that you're ready to learn how to make some serious money. Now, before I get into this method proper, there is just a couple more things I wanted to go over just before we get into that. So let's have a quick look at some of these coins here. And I mean, we could take our pick from anyone. It doesn't really matter which one. The stories are kind of similar. Let's have a look here. So take a look at this. I mean, these mountain ranges of candles are ridiculous. Look up here. How the hell are you gonna make decent money unless you are on one of those peaks? And those peaks only last a few seconds, if that. You know, maybe a minute if you're lucky. Even the top trader on this coin, look, made a massive loss initially before they started making some serious money. It's not very consistent. My method will take out all those inconsistencies and make you earn money every time. And look at this. This is the classic story. We've all been here, guys. Look at this rug pull. Okay, that means all the traders lost tons of money, but do you know what that does mean? That means the dev has earned some serious cash from pulling all that liquidity. We know that's how it works because we've been on the business end of it. How about we turn the tables? How about we instead are the ones that are going to pull that liquidity? We are going to be the ones pulling the rug and leaving all that liquidity, all that cash going straight into our pockets. We're going to use createcoin.fun to do this. No coding is required for this site. You don't need to know how to code at all. That used to be a real problem, but now you can launch your own coin without any coding at all. All we're doing is we're pushing buttons. It's an easy process, all right? And I've been able to do it, and that means you will definitely be able to do it because you're probably smarter than I am. Now, let's have a look at the markets here. So normally when you make your coin, you go onto Pump. Pump's pretty good, except it's full of shit coins. Tons and tons and tons of shit coins. So what that means is that most coins, they don't really break the 100k mark in terms of their market cap. I mean, there's one here at 234. That one's doing particularly well. But if I switch over to the Matora market, and I do that by using the dynamic VC on my Axiom, and here we go, already 1.7 billion on the USWR coin. Okay, 1.01 billion here, hundreds of millions. These numbers are insane. That's because on Matora, the coin has got room to move. Okay, that is the secret. Okay, there's no shit coins on there. Now, let's connect our wallet to createcoin.fun. So we simply click the connect wallet button. It detects our Phantom wallet. We click the Phantom wallet, and easy as that, we are connected. There's our code there. So we are connected. Let's have a look at what we've got in the Phantom wallet. Currently, we are sitting at $116 inside the Phantom wallet. You saw in that flash there. I've just withdrew a load of money from the last time I ran this. So just over $100 is what's needed, and you know, around about that is what you need to get going on this. So here is the point where we could make our coin. We could make a Trump coin. We can do what we like. Woo, Trump, he's a cool guy, but you know, it doesn't really matter because we're not going to make our coin actually, because what we're instead going to do is we're going to do the smarter thing. We are instead going to use a feature that is nearly unique to createcoin.fun, and that is the copy trending feature. Now, this feature will find all the coins on the pump market that are doing really well. I mean, look at these market caps, 200 grand here, 178k here. Silly market caps, even for the pump market. That is insane numbers. So what we can do is we can take one of these coins. These are all coins that are hot at the moment, that are being traded a lot, that are making a lot of money. So we can click any one. Let's click the Ansem coin and let's copy that over. So what's going to happen is your Phantom wallet is initially going to block the request. So you need to click through that. So you need to click proceed anyway. You then need to click confirm, and then you need to tick this box and click yes, confirm. This is a normal part of the process. I do this every single time I connect my Phantom wallet to this site. So now we create our liquidity. So what we're going to do here is we are going to put in a little bit of Sol, and that is what's going to get our coin going. So I would recommend about 0.2 Sol in the coin. You can put a bit more if you like, but to be honest, 0.2 Sol will get you exactly where you need to go, so I wouldn't go much above that. If I were you, we simply create a pool, we confirm the transaction to put that money into the coin there, and then in just a quick moment, we will be live. Okay, my net has been running a little bit slow, so please do bear with. Here we are. Okay, so we got our Sol Ansem coin here. You can see our estimated value is currently at $14. We've got our 0.2 Sol there. Those numbers will increase. Now, before we look at this on Deck Screener and have a look at it in the market proper, we're going to click this lightning bolt button here. This will boost our token to the top of Deck Screener's trending list. That means that our coin is going to get loads more hype around it. So cost 0.25 Sol. I promise you it is worth it every single time. So we're going to click confirm on that transaction, and then once that's done, we are going to have a quick look on Deck Screener. So let's see. Now, once I click Deck Screener, let me just put it into full screen. Bang, flashbang every single time. And let's see. So we are looking at our liquidity nearly at $1,000 already. I've only been open for a few seconds, and already we've got some serious numbers coming in here. Our market cap already at 2K instantly, near enough the same, or at least it was briefly. But now, obviously, of course, as we know in the game, these numbers go up and down a lot. But as you can see, we have got a steady upward trend, which is excellent. And again, we've only been running this for a very short period of time, and already we have got these investors. And again, I haven't spoken to anyone. I don't know any of these people. I've not told anyone that this coin is launched. All we did was we put it onto Deck Screener's trending list, and everything else is being taken care of for us. So let's see, 2.4K. Now, we can run that for as long as we like. Let's hit a quick refresh on createcoin.fun before we extract those funds and put them into our pocket. So again, the refresh is taking a while. Now, the money I make off of this video, as you see, 1.07K is our estimated value there. So the money I make on this video, I will be giving away half of it to one lucky winner. If you want to be putting that prize draw, you got to subscribe, like, and leave a comment, and I will put you in that prize draw there. So we remove 100% of that liquidity. We hit the red minus button. We confirm the transaction because yes, I'd like to be paid. And then after a brief moment, we're just removing that liquidity. Again, man, this net is not doing great. It's the heat wave at the moment, so that's why this is all happening. And then boom, here we go. So let's have a look in our Phantom wallet. Let's see what half of what someone could win. So $1,093. Remember, we started with 100, guys. We have nearly 10x'd our starting value. So guys, stop trading. That's not the way to go. Start deving and start making some money.